Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make Tolo beefy. Tolo beefy is basically cured beef. So for this recipe, you need 1 kg of beef brisket. Cut the beef into sizable pieces, not too small and not too big. Now, transfer the pieces onto a plate or a mixing bowl. In my case, I'm using a plate. Add a 1/4 cup of salt. Flake salt is used in the original recipe, but you can substitute it with fine salt. Now mix together very well. Make sure that all of the beef is covered with the salt. Transfer the salted beef into a container that you will store them in. Now add a 1/4 cup of grains of selim or rentia. Add half a tablespoon of cloves or pepper. Add some bay leaves and cover it and let it sit on your kitchen counter for 2 days. So my lovelies, it's been 2 days and this is how the Tolo beefy is looking like. You can see that there is some liquid around it. That is as a result of the salt going into the meat, so water is coming out. Just drain the water from the beef. Make sure that you have drained all of the water from the meat. Then cover it again and put it in your fridge to continue to cure for about a week. I'll show you the results after a week. Here we are again. It's been a whole week and our Tolo beefy is ready. Can you see how it's looking now? You see that the color has changed a little bit. This color change indicates that the Tolo beefy is ready. So my lovelies, I hope you try out this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can receive messages anytime I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.